start our own house. I am Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a tripod with paper. Yes, you heard it right. For that, the following materials are required. So let's start making. What kind of paper we need? We can use these pamphlets which you get in newspapers, or you can use any magazine paper. They have to be glossy and thick. The reason for that is it makes the tripod sturdy and it's easy to roll the paper also. So for that, the first step, we have to start rolling the paper. Start from one corner. Start rolling this way. Remember, you have to roll it very tight. When it comes to the end, when you get this triangle, just apply regular Fevicol and just roll it and finish it this way. So after making the straw, you have to cut the ends, as the ends are weak and soft. But there is no particular measurement how much you have to cut. Just check if it is too soft and easily bendable, and then you cut it little more inside and follow the same procedure with the other end also. To make the tripod, as the name says, we need 3 straws. And the next step is how to make the structure of the tripod. Here we are using this metal wire which you get very easily in any craft shop. So first, in the center, just wind it like 5 to 6 times. Don't wind it very tight, and then just make a twist. Just check whether it is standing properly on the surface, and then next step is start tying. There is no particular method or manner. Now it's ready. Like this, it has to stand properly and it has to be sturdy. So the next step is to make the tripod more interesting and more sturdy. Here I am using M-Seal, which you can get it in any hardware shop very easily. And inside this pack, you get this like this white color, and one is black. You have to mix both in equal quantity, and you have to mix till it becomes black. And here I am using 60 grams of M-Seal, which is enough for one tripod. Before mixing, you have to apply oil on your hands. Any oil, either coconut oil, any cooking oil, anything. soft, so you have to wait for some time till the mixture it becomes little hard, so that it becomes easy to make the shape. So divide the whole mixture into 6 equal parts and make a round like this. And now here just put some talcum powder in your hand so that it will not stick. Other 3 balls, what you have to do, just press gently. So now the tripod is ready. This is how it appears. So only one step left with us, that is to paint. Here I am using Fevicryl acrylic colors. So let's paint. After giving 2 coats of paint, let it dry completely. After that, you have to use this lacquer spray to make it waterproof. In my previous video, I explained how to use this lacquer spray. To know more about it, you can watch my video for reference. After the varnish becomes dry, now the tripod planter is ready. You must be wondering how it can be a planter. Here, I reused the coconut shell as a pot in which you can grow any plant. If not the coconut shell, you can use any plastic pot which is easily available in the market. This is how you can make these tripod planters using paper. This is what Art Around House is all about. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. And let me know your views in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.